What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke. And today we're talking about how to start a junk removal business. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to start a junk removal business. Okay, so I know, right? I know you've seen these things before, right? Junk removal companies and things of that nature. So first things first, I want to talk about why would you even start a junk removal business? Okay, so there's a few different reasons, but maybe you want more control of your income. Maybe you having a moving company. Maybe you have a moving company and you want to add a junk removal, option to your business offerings. You know, maybe you're just, the type of person that likes to get your hands dirty and likes to get in there and help people. Maybe you have a real estate company and property management company and you add it and you want to add junk removal to your business. It's a lot of different reasons. So whatever reason the reason is that you're starting a junk removal business, honestly, it could be very fulfilling and lucrative if you do it right. Okay, that's with anything, with most businesses anyway. But if you do a junk removal business right, it definitely can be fulfilling and lucrative. So the next question is, how do you do it right? Right? How do you do it right? First and foremost, get your LLC and EIN number. Check with all the company regulations within your state or county that you're going to be operating out of. All right, so that's the first and foremost. You got to do that. Now, after that, you need to get a good sized box truck. You can either buy it outright or you can finance it. It's up to you. If you need a loan to build your company or build out or start your company or start your business, check out the link in the description, the first link in the description, and go there, fill out the form, and get more information on getting yourself some funding for your business. Okay, so now with the junk removal business, you can actually build this business in a simple way, like connecting with local project managers and rental property companies or rental property owners and property managers and things like that to provide junk removal. Okay. And once you start to build a solid clientele by providing great service, then you can start to expand your business one truck at a time. You don't want to expand too fast without having a clientele ahead of time. Okay. That is like the easy way to destroy your business. That's the easy way to get yourself into debt. And then it becomes more stressful of a business than less of a helpful business. You know what I'm saying? The average pay you get is a starting cost of at least $150, right, per job. And that's just to get started on the removal of the junk. The highest you can expect to charge for your service is around $350 to start. That's right now. And this all depends on the job. But, you never know what the market is going to dictate in the near future. And junk removal has a secondary income stream of actually selling the junk you remove. You could sell items through eBay, Amazon, Facebook Market, a lot of different places, and even set up a location people can buy from, or even a website where people can buy off of and you can deliver it to them directly in your local area or to, nationally. Depends on you. In my opinion, junk removal is one of those businesses that almost anyone can start, but it's hard to build and expand if you depend directly on just junk removal. So if you depend on maybe making it a twofold business where, like I just said, you can start the junk removal business, get your clients, right? And then build your clientele out, you know what I'm saying, one person at a time, through property managers and project managers and junk removal other rental property owners and things of that nature. Then you can use that and expand, or you can use those particular people, and when you get the junk in, find treasures and things that you can sell, and start, like I said, make it a twofold type of business. You collect the junk, you get rid of the stuff you don't need, and then you can easily take some of that stuff and sell it, right? And start making income that way. So with that being said, there you have it. Thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, Devon Puddingwork Burke, signing on for how to start a junk removal business. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.